Hi, I'm Bryony. Come with me today. We're at the Halfords in Nottingham. We're going to buy a brand new Road Angel stereo and get it installed as well. The new Road Angel stereo has some new amazing features, such as wireless Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Android Auto. When you buy a Road Angel stereo, you've got a couple of options. You can either get it installed by a Road Angel approved installer or get it installed here at Halfords.
The owner of this Golf just purchased a stereo. We're going to install it today. There's important reasons why you would pay for a professional installation to make sure that it's installed correctly and the wires are in properly. Also to make sure that your steering wheel controls actually work properly with the car as well. And especially if you've got some Road Angel dash cams, you'll be able to use the playback app on the stereo to view your footage. And it also is important that it's wired in professionally, so certain features will only work if it's been wired in correctly.
My Road Angel stereo has just been installed by the team at Halfords, so let's have a look through some of my favourite features. As you can see, some of your favourite apps come pre-installed, such as your favourite navigation apps and apps like Spotify. Because I've had it installed by a Halfords professional, features such as the steering wheel's controls are already ready to go. You may already be familiar with our Road Angel dash cams. Well, now our Road Angel stereo comes pre-installed with a Halo playback app, which means that you can connect your dash cam to your stereo. For more information on how you can get your Road Angel stereo installed, just head to the Road Angel website and you'll find all the information there.